Most Ford Escape and Fusion owners never realize a failing fuel injector quietly steals power, fuel economy, and smooth acceleration until the engine starts fighting back. Today, we're uncovering the best fuel injectors for Ford Escape 2017 to 2019 and Ford Fusion 2014 to 2020 that can completely change your driving feel. Welcome to the channel. Check the links below to explore the products featured in today's video. Product number 1. Fuel injectors compatible with Ford Escape 2017 to 2019 Fusion 2014 to 2019. A failing fuel injector can make a perfectly good SUV feel like it's slowly giving up, and many Ford Escape owners don't realize the injector is the hidden culprit until the shaking, hesitation, and fuel smell become impossible to ignore. That's where the fuel injectors compatible with Ford Escape 2017 to 2019 Fusion 2014 to 2019 1.5 LDS7Z9F593 A set of 4 changes the story. Right away, the engine feels smoother. Cold starts calm down. Acceleration becomes cleaner and more responsive. For drivers searching for the best fuel injectors for Ford Escape 2018, this set delivers the kind of daily reliability that matters during commutes, school runs, and long highway drives. One thing owners appreciate is the balanced fuel delivery. Compared with some cheaper aftermarket injectors that trigger rough idle or uneven spray patterns, these feel far more refined. They're not the cheapest option, though. Installation may also require professional help for less experienced DIY users. Still, for Escape owners tired of misfires and unpredictable performance, this upgrade feels less like maintenance and more like getting your vehicle's heartbeat back. Product number 2. Fuel injectors set of 4 compatible with Ford Escape 2017 to 2019 and Fusion 2014 to 2020. A failing fuel injector can make a perfectly good Ford Escape feel exhausted overnight. One rough idle turns into weak acceleration, terrible fuel economy, and that sinking feeling every time the check engine light flashes back on. That's exactly where this fuel injectors set of 4 changes the story. Built for the Ford Escape 2017 to 2019 and Fusion 1.5L turbo models, these injectors restore the smooth throttle response many drivers forget their SUV once had. Cold starts feel cleaner. Highway merging becomes effortless again. Even fuel delivery sounds more refined compared to worn factory injectors. What stands out most is compatibility. Many buyers searching for the best fuel injectors for Ford Escape 2018 struggle with random aftermarket options that trigger misfires or uneven spray patterns. This set feels properly calibrated right out of the box. Compared with cheaper generic injectors, these deliver steadier performance and quieter operation. The downside? Installation may require professional help for beginners. For commuters, family drivers, or anyone reviving a tired EcoBoost engine, this upgrade feels less like maintenance and more like getting your vehicle's heartbeat back. Product number 3. Compatible fuel injectors for Ford Escape 2017 to 2019 and Fusion 2014 to 2020. A failing fuel injector can make a perfectly good Ford Escape feel tired overnight. One rough cold start turns into shaky acceleration, wasted fuel, and that constant fear of another check engine light. That's exactly where these compatible with EcoBoost GTDI 1.5L fuel injectors step in. Built for Ford Escape 2017 to 2019 and Fusion 2014 to 2020 models, this 6-hole injector set delivers smoother spray patterns and noticeably cleaner throttle response. The difference shows up fast. Less hesitation. Better idle. Quieter mornings. What impressed me most was how naturally the engine regained its balance under load. Many drivers searching for the best fuel injectors for Ford Escape 2018 usually want reliability without dealership pricing, and this set hits that middle ground surprisingly well. Now, they're not miracle workers. If your fuel system already has heavy carbon buildup, you may still need cleaning service first. But compared with cheaper generic injectors, these feel more refined and consistent during long drives. Ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone tired of random misfires stealing the joy from their escape. Some repairs simply make a car feel alive again. Product number 4. Totoy Fuel Injectors 4 PCS 2.5L only for Ford Escape 09-22 and Fusion 10-20. A weak fuel injector can make a perfectly good Ford Escape feel exhausted overnight. One rough cold start turns into hesitation at traffic lights, shaky acceleration, and fuel economy that quietly disappears week after week. That's where the Totoy FJ999 injectors step in with surprising balance. Designed for multiple Ford family vehicles, these injectors immediately feel smoother during daily driving. The throttle response wakes up faster. Idle vibration settles down. And for drivers searching for the best fuel injectors for Ford Escape 2018, this set brings the kind of stable fuel delivery people usually notice after expensive dealership repairs. What stands out most is compatibility. Escape, Fusion, Transit Connect, even Lincoln and Mercury models, it covers a huge range without feeling cheaply universal. Now the honest part. They're not premium racing injectors like Bosch performance models. Under aggressive tuning, enthusiasts may want something higher end. But for commuters, family SUVs, and high-mileage daily drivers, they solve the exact frustration most owners face. Sometimes reliability feels better than horsepower ever could. Product number 5. Fuel Injectors fit for Ford Escape 2009-2010 and Fusion 2010-2020. A weak fuel injector can make a perfectly good engine feel exhausted before the morning commute even begins. That hesitation at traffic lights? The rough idle? Most drivers blame old spark plugs first, until the fuel system tells the real story. The 028-015-81622.5L fuel injectors step in like a reset button for aging Ford and Mazda engines. Built for vehicles like the Ford Escape, Fusion, Transit Connect, Lincoln MKZ, Mazda Tribute, and Mercury Milan, this 4-piece set restores smoother throttle response almost immediately. What stands out is the balanced fuel delivery. Many budget injectors create uneven spray patterns that trigger misfires weeks later. These feel more refined and stable during acceleration. Especially helpful for drivers searching for the best fuel injectors for Ford Escape 2018 without spending dealership-level money. Still, they're not ideal for heavily modified turbo builds. OEM Motorcraft injectors remain slightly quieter under extreme load. For daily commuters, family SUVs, or high-mileage Escape owners, this kit delivers something priceless, a calmer, smoother drive that finally feels dependable again.